Again, in this part, we will talk about tuples.py. Why tuple? I mean, why we do have many data structure? We learned about list, and we learned about actually set, and we learned about dictionary, and we learned about, I think we're about to learn just tuple now. So what is this one? This data structure actually indexes. It has an index. Yeah, we access the items or the values based on that index, and the index starts from 0 if we consider 0 indexing, or if we consider from the right side, then we can go for negative indexing, and the last item starts from -1, and it's ordered. Yeah, the items do have ordered, a natural order. Yeah, if an item comes the first, then that's the first item. Yeah, yes, that is actually how we identify list. But when it comes to set, no order, and no indexing. Okay, doesn't allow duplicates. Is it modifiable? Is it mutable? Yes, this one is mutable, and this one is also mutable. Yes. How about dictionary? Dictionary, it used to be actually non-ordered, but I think the latest Python is ordered, but it doesn't really matter if it's ordered or unordered, because dictionary is not like meant for ordering or whatsoever. So this is a key value, a key and value pair data structure. Yes, the key and the values are very important. Yeah. And can we also, is it immutable? Yes, it's immutable. But there's no indexing. How about this one? There is index here. There is order here, but not mutable. Immutable. Yes. I think this clarified the difference between the list, set, dictionary, and tuple. Now let's create a tuple, an empty tuple. How do we create that? I think this is an empty tuple. This is, maybe, let me try to print this type of TP, and what do we get? Yeah, have you seen? It's an empty tuple. Great. And we can also create it like this, tuple like this. Oh yeah, something like this. Great. And then if I have, for instance, a tuple of maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. As I told you, we can't add. So there's no add method, there's no remove method, because it doesn't actually accept, method that mutate this. But we can, for instance, count 2, maybe 4, and then 5. As you can see, there are some duplicates. 2 exists 2 times, 4 exists 4 times. There's this method, print tp count 2. If I count 2 in this tuple, I should get 2 because it exists 2 times. 4 exists also 2 times. Let's see, the values actually. Can we use length to know? Yes, we can use length to know actually the length or the size of the tuple. And then I'm expecting 1, 2, 7. I think in total it's 7. That's great. I don't have to remember everything by heart. And then I think I should check some of the method I wrote some time ago. As you can see, empty tuple, empty tuple. This is how you declare an empty tuple. And then this is an example, item 1, item 2, item 3. Again, everybody loves fruits, and we have all the fruits we love. The most, the banana, orange, mango, and lemon. These are tuples. Why they are tuples? Because they are in parentheses. Tuple length, we use the len built-in function as we used for all the different data structure. Accessing tuples, it's the same as list. We can use actually the positive indexing or negative indexing the other side. Yeah, banana, 0, orange. Can we also slice? Yeah, we do slicing also. Okay, as you can see, we can access them using the indexing, so we don't have to do that here, because if you remember the list, you can apply that method in here. Okay, slicing tuples, the same. We do the same slicing as in list. Okay, range of negative indexes. Yeah, it's the same. Changing tuples to list. Then you use list and then you pass it here and then it will be changed. Yeah, I mean, I will show you here. And then let's see now fruits, right? I can't add anything. So, but the other way, the easy way, fruits as in list and then list, now fruits. After that, I can add in here fruits list, then append. Maybe I can add my papaya here and then I can modify it. But when it was actually a tuple, you can't. Then it's a kind of, you have actually the copy of the tuple, you change it to a list, and then after that you can modify it. Now, if I print fruit list, I should have the list with papaya, as you can see at the end. Great. Oh, let's move on. Checking an item in a tuple, that's possible. Checking means, for instance, print. Do we have lime in the fruits? In fruits. No, the fruits. I mean, the fruits is actually the one, the tuple. We don't have lime, so it should be false. But if I change it to lemon, and it should be true. Great. Yeah. Okay, let's move. Joining tuples. Yeah, the plus operator allow us to join this together. So after joining item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5, item 6 together will be a new tuple. Yeah, so maybe I can show you here. For instance, we have fruits list, banana, orange, mango, and lemon, and vegetables, tomato, potato, cabbage, onion, and carrots. And then when we sum up this or concatenate this together, we get a new tuple. That's fruits and vegetable. Yeah, it makes sense, right? We're just creating a new tuple. That's fruits and vegetables. Okay? And deleting tuple, I told you at the very beginning, we can't mutate. But here, when we are saying deleting, we are not actually changing some part of the tuple. Actually, we are completely deleting it. Yeah. So that's possible. Oh, it says that you're so brave, you made it to this far. Oh, yeah, great. I think the example are also so simple. Maybe you go through this material, and that's all about tuples. So by covering tuples, we have finished all the data structure. List, set, dictionary, tuples, the most common data structure in Python. So next, we will learn about actually functions, lambda functions, higher order functions, and maybe if we have time, modules.